Yeah, Rico and I are over.
Kumpirmadong tinuldukan na ng celebrity couple na sina Maris Racal at Rico Blanco ang kanilang 5-year relationship. Ang balitang iyan ay nagmula mismo kay Maris Racal.
Yeah, Rico and I are over. So sorry, Maris.
Rico and I are over. Maluhaluhang kinumpirma ng actress-singer na si Maris Racal na hiwalay na sila ng boyfriend niya for 5 years na si Rico Blanco. Inamin din niyang natatakot siyang sagutin ng mga tanong tungkol sa kanilang relasyon dahil ang pag-amin ay nangangahulugang totoo na ito. Rico and I are over. It's fresh. It's been a few weeks. Loneliest, emptiest weeks I've ever experienced in my life. Ang pahayag ni Maris ay naganap during the media conference of her upcoming movie Marupok AF na ipapalabas pa lang sa mga sinehan. Sa salaysay ni Maris ay lumalabas na kakahiwalay pa lamang nila at siya ang nakipaghiwalay kay Rico. Sa dahilang lately ay nararamdaman niyang may mga nagbago na sa kanya. May mga vision siya kung paano niya gustong mag-evolve at may mga gusto pang malaman sa mundo. Pahayag ni Maris, Rico and I, our universe was so beautiful, so full of love, laughter, music, spontaneity, everything. Ngunit inamin ni Maris na hindi siya sigurado kung ano ang nagbago sa kanya tungkol sa kanilang relasyon at sa kanyang personal na buhay. In our 5-year relationship, we were always on the same page. I don't know what happened to me. Maybe I turned to the next page and saw a new perspective in life. I had visions of who I want to become, how I want to evolve. I am so curious about the world. And the truth is, I am going through changes. And we know that yung change is either good or bad. But what I hate about change is it's inevitable. Hindi mo siya matatakasan. Wala ka nang pwedeng ibang gawin but to confront it and face it. So yeah, I told Rico about it. I told him my problems and my issues. And he took it like a man. He took it like a man. It was a very difficult talk cause I love him so much and he loves me. But I have so many questions about my life and how will I go on in life with him. And I have so many questions about me and my sense of self. It was very difficult but a very polite separation. Up to the very end of the relationship, it was still full of love and understanding. And Rico is one of a kind. If only I could skip through my 20s, but I can't. I have to face it. I have to sit with my feelings and acknowledge my changes. Unang nag-collab sina Maris at Rico noong 2019 para sa kantang Abot Langit at pinag-usapan ng husto nang aminin nila ang kanilang relasyon na mayroong 25 age gap noong 2021. Samantala, sa paglabas ng balitang hiwalay na sina Maris at Rico ay broken-hearted din ang netizens sa sinapit ng dalawa. Bata pa raw kasi si Maris at malayo pa ang tatakbuhin ng karera nito sa showbiz, lalo pat nag-uumpisa palang umingay ang kanyang pangalan at sunod-sunod na rin ang mga projects at endorsement offers sa kanya. Gayunpaman ay may ilang pinagdududahan ang timing ng breakup announcement ni Maris na sakto pa sa pagpopromote niya ng pelikula. Baka daw ay ginagamit lang ito pang promo. May nagsasabi namang baka hindi na kinaya ni Rico ang madalas na pagsasama ni na Maris at Anthony Jennings na ipinagtatambal sa isa't isa. Ano pong masasabi niyo sa malungkot na balita ng hiwalayan ni na Maris Racal at Rico Blanco makalipas ang masayang 5 taon nilang pagsasama? Share your comments below.